Good night, my present document. My name is Angie Marcela Illita. I'm single. I am from Cartagena. I am 25 years old. I am nursing assistant, country and study residential pharmacy and UNAT. I live in Medellin. In my day-to-day life, I get up at 6 in the morning and do my personal care, get dressed, have some breakfast, commute to work, and what after I arrive and ready to start my duties. I work in a clinical laboratory. I return home at 4 in the afternoon. I pick lunch, my soccer and kindergarten in the afternoon and take some time to study and to do my college homework. In my free time, I like to go out and visit nearby places, listen to music, play with my son, and spend time with my parents.